Hello students, I welcome you to this class related to how to write a great essay for IS exam. At the outset, I would like to tell you the fact that your essay writing skill reflects your holistic personality. It is not simply the test of your knowledge. Secondly, I would like to tell you the fact that essay gives you the space of expressing your originality and creativity. There is no hard and fast rule for writing a great essay. The skill of essay writing varies from candidates to candidates and also from topics to topics. Writing a great essay is an art as well as a science. Writing an essay cannot be done overnight. It depends on your knowledge base, exposure to different sources beyond the textbook. While you are writing an essay, presume that you would be engaged in a lively discussion with the evaluator in a captivating manner, not in a monotonous way. Essay writing skill is an extension of answer writing skill with a great extent of creativity. And here I would like to tell you the fact that don't jump into essay writing practice without studying sufficient content. Essay must be rich in content, and the richness of the content depends upon your exposure to various sources. Generally, students they ask a question: what are the different sources for writing great essays? I will be telling you the fact that for the purpose of writing great essays, first of all, you have to read many good essays. You have to practice writing essay before writing the final essay in the UPSC examination hall. Apart from that, you have to study certain magazines for the purpose of writing good essays like Yojana, the editorial page of Hindu newspaper as well as Times of India. You also study Frontline, EPW, Economic and Political Weekly for the purpose of writing critical essays. So, for writing a great essay, the holistic understanding of the topic is a pre-essential quality. And right now just I am showing you a sample of essay. You see, in an essay, there are three important components, namely introduction, body and conclusion. So how to write an attractive introduction, a captivating introduction? Your introduction part of essay will be very captivating if you are opening of the topic with a quotation by a celebrated writer like Aristotle, Plato, Karl Marx, Swami Vivekananda, Gandhiji, R.N. Tagore. Even some students, they also write a very captivating introduction by citing a couplet from a poem. Third way of making your introduction attractive is just to express irony at the introduction. How? I am citing an example, you see. Suppose a question has been asked in essay paper related to Swachh Bharat Yojana. You can express irony and start the introduction like this. You see, in our home we maintain highest order of cleanliness while we don't mind to put the dust papers on the street. This is irony. Even you can also write the introduction in question format You may also write the introduction in terms of fact-based introduction. These are the different ways by which you can write the introduction and make it captivating. Then come to the whole analysis of essay. As I told you earlier, an essay has three components. First is introduction, second part is body, third part is conclusion. How to make your introduction attractive, I explained you. Then come to body part. In body part, you have to mention the background, then you have to mention the why aspect, that is the cause. You can also mention the consequences, that is the how and what aspect. You can adopt a particular perspective, and at the end of the body you have to mention the solution of a problem. Then how to write the conclusion? I will be telling you the fact. Introduction and conclusion, they are opposite to each other. In case of introduction, you are opening of a topic. Then in case of conclusion, you have to close up the topic. But remember one thing very clearly, while you are writing the conclusion, you should write the conclusion with an optimistic note. You should not write the conclusion with a pessimistic note. With lots of criticism, you are not expected to write the conclusion. Therefore, conclusion would be interesting, captivating, if you are writing a quotation from Swami Vivekananda like this: arise, awake, and arise, awake, and not stop till the goal is achieved. So, this is all about the introduction, body, and conclusion part of an essay. And at the end, I will be giving you some important tricks and tips related to how to make your essay more attractive and more captivating. You see, logical sequence must be maintained between different paragraphs. Interlinkage between paragraph should be maintained by using connectors. What are the connectors? Like as far as, moreover, firstly, secondly, thirdly. And a more important aspect of writing an essay for UPSC Civil Service Examination is to stick to the word limit. Don't cross the word limit prescribed by UPSC. So always stick to the word limit. Don't use too much technical jargon. Use only simple and effective language. Don't write in a point-wise manner. In a paragraph, make the paragraph smaller, and at least in a page you write 2 paragraphs. In matter of writing a great essay, first of all, you have to assess your areas of strength, weakness, as well as likeness related to different essays. In certain essays, you are having strength. In certain essays, you are having weakness. So always attempt for an essay in which you are having a consolidated strength. And generally, there are 9 categories of essays that I have prepared, from which UPSC is asking question. First is women related, second is education, third is development, fourth is technology, fifth is environment, sixth is globalization, seventh is social media, eighth is agriculture, and ninth is culture. First, you assess in which area you are stronger and in which area you are weaker. Attempt essay from that area in which you are having strength. This is all about the tips and the tricks of writing a great and good essay for UPSC Civil Service Examination. And in my next video, I would discuss certain sample essays, and I would also tell you how to write those sample essays with a specific framework. I would discuss those sample essays in my next video. So please watch my next video related to essays and how to write them. This is all about how to write good essays. Thank you a lot. Thank you.